Hey my love, so you're going to see how we make this body oil slash body butter. It was so easy to make. You're going to see how we move from this to this and without any whipping method at all.
Hey loves, my name is Chechi. New subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thanks for sticking around with me. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a 3-ingredient body oil. So if you have like a skin that is very dry and lacks moisture, this video is definitely for you. Guys, please, if you enjoy my content, give me a thumbs up, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified anytime and every time I drop a new video. So let's get right into the video. So guys, I know that a dry skin can be very annoying. There are products that you use, creams, lotions, and it's just not giving you, it's not giving you what you expect. So using this is definitely going to help bring moisture to your skin. Your skin is going to look very nice. It's going to look baby-like. And the ingredient that we're going to need for this is, the first thing that we need is shea butter. So I got this. I always tell you that shea butter is like one of the cheapest ingredients ever. Like this cost me just 15 naira. It's even funny, but this I bought for 15 naira. Then the next ingredient is coconut oil. So I made this coconut oil myself, but you can get yours in a store or wherever you choose to buy from. Then the next one is almond oil. So my almond oil the plastic got bad, so I had to pour it into here. But this is almond oil, and this is the 3 ingredient we're going to use. So this product is not really comedogenic, although it has coconut oil, which is rated 4, almond oil and shea butter are rated 2, and they're good for the skin. So but I'm not going to be using it on my face because it's not like a face balm or stuff. I'm going to be using it on my skin, which includes my hands, my lap, all over my body except my face. Because of the comedogenic ingredients, we don't want our pores to get clogged, because our face, people might argue that you're using it on your body. What difference is it from using it for your face? Your face is like very sensitive. You notice that how many times do you guys get acne on your body? Even body acne is very rare. Not a lot of people get that, but acne on the face, literally everyone has gone through that phase in their life. So that's why your face is like literally different from every other part of your body. So let's get into mixing this up. A bowl and a spoon. Like this is the bowl I use for everything on this channel. I have different types. So you're going to place the shea butter into this plate, and we're going to have to dissolve it using the double boiler method. Before you do all this, your hot water should be on fire, and then you're going to place it into a bowl. I'm going to show you that right now. Let me get the bowl of hot water. So guys, the bowl of hot water is here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pick up this and place it into this, and then wait for a couple of minutes while it dissolves. I hope you can see it. I don't want the water to get into the bowl. So this is what we're going to do.
A few moments later.
So guys, it's been 2 minutes now. So I'm going to bring out the oil. Can you see the way it looks now? It is all liquidified. It's now liquid. I love the color. I hope you can see it. Like, I love the color. So this is the best way to do it instead of boiling it in very high heat. So I'm going to measure out my coconut oil because I don't want it to really be very comedogenic. I'm going to put little coconut oil into this. So I'm going to put in the coconut oil now. That's about enough. I'm going to mix it up. So I poured in the coconut oil. I'm going to mix it all up now. So the next thing I'm going to put is the almond oil. some people would say they want to put in lemon, but I'm not a fan of that. Although lemon is good, but I tend to use lemon in the night because when you go out into the sun with lemon, it tends to like give you dark patches. I don't know if you understand, but lemon during the day under the sun is a no-no for me, so I'm not even going to recommend you putting it into this. So I'm going to pour in the almond oil. That's that's enough. So the major ingredient in this body oil is shea butter, and shea butter is really great for the skin. So guys, this is the final look: almond, coconut oil, and shea butter. Let me Oh, I love the smell. It smells like coconut oil. Like the coconut oil overshadowed the other smells. So when you smell it, you're going to think that this is just coconut oil. That's why a lot of people can sell fake coconut oil because the smell is so strong. So even if you pour like little quantity of coconut oil and another oil, that maybe groundnut oil or vegetable oil, people are not going to know because coconut oil is going to overpower it. So that's why I like making it myself, so I'm sure that this is pure coconut oil. So while we're done with this, what we're going to do is to cover this. Now that we've covered it, if you have a refrigerator, you can place it in, but I'm going to place it into this bowl, but it's going to be a bowl of cold water, and I'm going to leave it to solidify. I'm going to show you the after look. I don't know if it's going to still have this beautiful color that I love, but I'm still going to show you guys. So I'm going to place this in and wait for a while it solidifies. So guys, it's been like 30 minutes and it's just about to solidify. You can see that it's no longer as translucent as it was before, so it's sticking up gradually. I can't wait for this. I can't wait for it any longer. So if you have a refrigerator, it will be so much easier. I'm going to post it in a community post once it has solidified. I'm going to post the picture. But guys, your girl, she has to do something else today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this very informative. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye.
Much later.